how to find saved videos on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can find saved videos on YouTube. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your YouTube application in the mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, first of all, I will just show you how you can save a video. After that, we will see how we can find that video. So for demo, I will select this video. Now, in order to save this video, navigate to this menu bar. Under the video, there you have to swipe to your left and you will have a save option. So tap on save. Once you tap on save, this video will be saved to your watch later playlist. Now to find your saved videos on YouTube, once you're on your home page, navigate to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you're here, you will land on your playlist. Next to playlist, you have to tap on this option that says view all. Now here tap on watch later, and in this section you will find all of your videos that you have saved. So that's how you find saved videos on YouTube, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.